This product, TeaYeon HD19A, is portable cutter of super lightweight with electronically driven hydraulic system. The strength of TeaYeon HD19A is to process many works and to be carried out easily by hand. TeaYeon HD19A cuts rebar of maximum diameter number 6 within 4 seconds. Also, this is good for continuous cutting operation with fast speed. Hydraulic TeaYeon HD19A has powerful performance with less operation noise, excellent durability. It is possible to cut rebar diameter from number 3 to number 6. Also, TeaYeon HD19A is perfect cutter, which has no need for oil supply by increased volume of oil tank.